The biggest issue and concern from all the biomedical technicians is the timer chips, whether they need them or not. So basically all of these modules that are going into these light sources have a timer chip that's going to tell you you have 500 hours on this particular bulb, this is the lifespan, and it kind of keeps track of it for them. So there are some biomed techs that can bypass the timer. If the timer chip is just a way for the OEMs to kind of control the sale on it, because without the timer chip being reset or have a new timer chip, the bulb isn't recognized by the light source. So it forces the end user to go directly to the OEM, to go to Stryker to buy a new bulb, because the bulb that we sent them, which is the same exact bulb, won't work because the timer has not been reset or does not have a new timer chip on it. So that these timers and these chips, these iButton chips, are probably the biggest pain sometimes for these biomed technicians, because they feel like they're trapped to go back to the OEM. So